In the last couple videos, you saw me in a riverbed collecting stones in western Washington. In this video, you'll see me collect a third stone that was difficult to identify, but turned out beautiful in the end. Oh, here we go. Here's something interesting. I really like those colors. Try and see it in the shade. Kind of like a pinks and orange kind of color. Looks like it might be, I don't know, it's like some kind of sandstone or something. Maybe a granite. I don't know. Looks interesting though. Let's put that with our collection and keep looking. All right, we have this stone from the riverbed. I did an identification on it and I did all the different angles and it came back as a sandstone. So let's get it cut and see what it looks like inside. Okay, here we are at the grinding machine and we're getting ready to put this on the grinder. I do have, it is pretty dirty from a different project spilling on it, but yeah, we'll get this in and get it all rounded out. All right, let's get a little bit of water going. Maybe something like that. Get the power going. right, we have finished the stone on the grinding machine. It's turned out nice. It has a lot of texture to it though. I hope it polishes out. It must just have a lot of different mixes of hard material and soft material inside of it. But yeah, I mean, it's very spherical. It does have a few voids that have popped out. I can't really, I've tried grinding them down and then just more kind of show up. So it does have some parts that are porous, but otherwise the rest of it seems pretty solid. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get it on the polisher and go from there. All right, we're on the polisher. We are using 400 grit. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, our time is up. We just finished the 3000 grit. Let's get it all cleaned up and take a look. All right, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching this far. So here we are, the stone's all cleaned up and finished, and it didn't end up having a glossy finish like what I had hoped, but it still looks really nice. When I found this stone on the side of the river, I first thought it was a stone that had a lot of potential for an interesting pattern. I thought it was maybe a sandstone or a granite, something along those lines, because those are the most popular stones found in that river. And so I just thought I'd take it home and see how it turns out. I had used my rock identifier app to see what kind of stone this was. When it was in the rough shape, the app identified it as a sandstone, and I thought that's exactly what it was. So now, after finished polishing the stone, I used the rock identifier app again, and now it's saying it's a picture jasper. So I looked up picture jasper, and I'm very familiar with jasper. I've done videos on jasper before, and typically jasper is polished to a glossy shine, and this one obviously didn't do that. And the photos that were included, it definitely looked like this. So if this is a picture jasper, then this is what it looks like. Otherwise, I can't help but to think that maybe it's still a sandstone, because it's really not polishing like a regular jasper. So if there is a geologist watching this video and are familiar with the stones found in Western Washington, Western Washington riverbeds, let us know. Let us know your thoughts. Otherwise, I'm going to call this stone a sand picture stone. Combining those two names. One feature that I wanted to show is you can see that there's a crack here, and on either side it's lighter here and darker here in the pattern, but I can't fit a fingernail through here. So sometime when this stone was being developed, or after it's being developed, it encountered something that made this stone shift and then solidified in this manner. And so now we have this crack, this more of a superficial crack really, where you can see that there's a light side and a dark side. So if you know somebody who would be interested in watching a stone like this turn into a stone sphere, then share with them this video and go ahead and hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next video.